Behind the hustle and bustle of Kota Kinabalu, alive with activity from day to night, lies a hidden retreat in Penampang, Sabah. Tucked away in Kampung Penampang, Taman Rekreasi Sopuk offer a peaceful escape from face-to city. Surrounded by lush green, fresh air, and the soothing sound of nature, this is tranquil park of an of the beaten track gem waiting to be discovered. Just a short drive from Kota Kinabalu City, Taman Rekreasi Sopuk is easily accessible yet remains calm and uncrowded. This is make an ideal destination for both local and tourists who are looking for a quiet nature retreat without traveling far from city. One of the main attractions, Taman Rekreasi Sopuk, is refreshing natural environment. The park is surrounded by lush tropical greenery and flowing stream to create a cool and relaxing atmosphere. The sound of running water and birdsong enhance the sense of peace, making it perfect for visitors seeking relaxation and stress relief. Taman Rekreasi Sopuk offers a variety of simple yet meaningful activities for visitors of all ages. Family can enjoy picnic, children can play safely by the river, and friends can gather to relax and unwind. For adventure lovers, there are areas suitable for light trekking and exploring the surrounding nature. Beyond its natural beauty, Taman Rekreasi Sopuk also reflect the charm of local village in Penampang. Visiting this park supports community-based tourism and helps promote lesser-known destinations. It allows visitors to experience Sabah beyond popular tourist spots, offering a more authentic and meaningful travel experience. If you are looking for a peaceful escape surrounded by nature, Taman Rekreasi Sopuk is a perfect choice. Hidden in the heart of Penampang, this recreational park offers tranquility, natural beauty, and a refreshing break from city life. Discover a different of Kota Kinabalu, explore off the beaten track destination, and experience the nature charm of Sabah at Taman Rekreasi Sopuk.